guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to do another command block tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how to make the villagers that you can right click and it will do something. Now I've gone to a completely empty world just so it's a lot easier to work with, so you haven't got all the other old redstone stuff in the way. So let me just quickly set the world spawn, because I haven't done anything to do with the redstone yet. So in order to do this, we'll need two objectives. So I'm going to call this one V for villager and just make it a dummy. And then you want to make another one called right click, and it needs to be a stat.talk to villager, I think, or stat.villager stat. I think it's talk to villager. Let's just do that. Right click stat.talk to villager. Okay, I think that's right. Add, oh no, scored objective, set display, sidebar, right click. So now we'll be able to see when we open a villager. Now, to make the villagers work, so when you right click them, if I just summon a villager, you right click him and it opens this, and as you see at the side, every time I right click it counts up. So as you see, it has trades, and you don't want that to happen. So let's just kill everything. Oh, it's just him. So we're going to need a special command, and this is it here. I've just got a random name from the map I was trying to make with this function in. So it doesn't have to have a custom name, but I'm just going to put it in, call him Bob. CustomNameVisible 1 means that even if you're not looking at him, no wait, it either means if you're not looking at him it shows, or if you're looking at him it does show. I'm not too sure, I just put it there and it seemed to work fine. So the main part is you want to do offers, colon, then the curly bracket thing, recipes, colon, square brackets, close the curly one. So that means he'll have no recipes at all. Now, the no AI, you can have him have an AI, so he's walking around, so you've got him in a village, and when you right click him he'll say hello, how are you doing, or something. Then he'll just be walking around as normal. Silent obviously makes him silent. Now the rotation, that's what I used when I put no AI on, meaning that he'll be facing a certain direction, but I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to make him be walking around as if he's a normal villager. And his name is Bob. So now if we summon him 2 blocks up. So there he is, there's Bob. If you right click him nothing happens. So as you see at the side my counter's going up, but it's not working. Set block redstone underscore. I'm not sure if I've told you about this before, but if you do /set block and wherever you're looking and you press tab, space tab, it basically fills out the coordinates where you're looking at. So set that to a redstone block and stone. And some people were having problems with this type of clock. Oh, and problems with this. So to get rid of the spamming block place, just do game rule command block output false, and now he's not spamming anymore. Some people had the problem where it was doing this, where you put down the redstone block and it instantly just changes to stone. All you have to do to fix that is this one's stone, this one's redstone block, just change this one to redstone block and change this one to stone. Just swap the stone and redstone block around, it'll be fine. So now, in order for, obviously if you just have one villager, this is fine just how it is. You don't need to add the V for villager. You don't need to add this if you've just got one villager that you're going to right click in the game. I've got nothing in there. I'm actually going to extend this. It goes minus in that way. So, oh, never mind. Set block. Copy the last coordinates. /fill. And /fill. Oops. What did I do wrong? One block filled. I did something wrong. So I put an extra space in it? No, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here and do redstone underscore block. There you go. That fixed it. So how these work is, this is the first block to be set, then this one, then this one, then this one, I think. Or it's the other way around because I did the coordinates the other way around. Let me just do this just to be sure. Okay, there you go, and there you go. So now this should be the last block to be set, and this should be the first block to be set. So, some people were saying to do executes, but I think they can get a bit confusing for some people, so that's why I use test4s. So, actually no, we are going to use an execute to execute as the villager. Execute at eType equals villager. And firstly, oh, what's he doing all the way there? TP at eType equals villager. Game motion. Come back here. So we want to do scoreboard objective set. No, players set at eType equals villager. Name of Bob. V. And we'll set him to 1. So now he's got a score of V of 1. So now name equals Bob, comma score underscore V equals 1, score underscore V underscore min equals 1. So the reason we've got a V is so that we can just single out this one person. If we had a load of other villagers, they would each have a different score of V. So say I summon... Oh, actually I can use this again. So here's another Bob. We can set this Bob to V of 2. So then now they're pretty much different people, and when we right click they both won't activate. So test4 at P radius of 5 score underscore right click underscore min equals 1. So basically it executes as him, so the command is being run as him, and it's testing for us in a radius of 5 with a score of right click of min. So basically if you right clicked him and you're within 5 blocks of him, it will do this. So as you see, I'm not within 5 blocks, but if I get within 5 blocks because I've got right click at the side, it then lights up. So now we're going to do terror. Let's execute as him again. Tell raw at P, and we'll actually do that again. Hey, Bob. Actually no, let's do it like normal Minecraft. Hey there, how are you doing? And then we want to reset their right click. Move out of the way, second Bob. Scoreboard, actually no, let's execute again. So scoreboard, players, set, reset, at P, right click. So now if we go within 5 blocks, our right click should reset. Where is he? Over here. Hey there, how are you doing? Right click again, hey there, how are you doing? At the side, as you see, it does glitch if you spam him though. That's the only problem. So what I have done before is... I think all I've done is just reset everyone's right click. Scoreboard, players, reset at A, right click. So now it might not work. I hope this is the right Bob. Yeah, it's the right Bob. I think. Yeah. So in this case, just test for at A, score underscore right click. So it will test for them, and then we can just add a repeater to make it slower than this one. Okay, now right click him and he says, hey there, how you doing? You spam it. I'm clicking as fast as I can. Oh, and it worked. So we could set block unpowered repeater 1. Oops, and it's not 1 anyway. Comparator 2. So there we go. Now it might work. Yep, I'm clicking as fast as I can and it's just resetting itself. So there we go. And he just says, hey there, how you doing? And of course, if you wanted to use the other Bob, you would just copy that, paste it somewhere, and do score of 2, because he's not 1 anymore. And test for that. And I think you can get rid of this as well. Actually, no, just in case, I'm going to keep it, because you never know. So now, we want to change this to 2 again. And he'll say there, he'll be neither one. Go away, I don't like you. So this one is the kind one, this one is the horrid one. So that's really simple how to make right-clicking villagers. I might put this world for download so that you can easily just take a look and see the commands, because there's some villagers there. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.